Little Naren could not understand his mother's world quite clearly. Later on, he became what his mother wished for. Narendra became famous as Swami Vivekananda. Narendra was born on 12th of January 1863. His parents were Vishwanath Datta and Bhuvaneshwari Devi. They considered the child was a gift from Lord Veereshwara. So they named the child Veereshwara. Later they gave him the name Narendranath Datta. He was sent to school at the age of 6. He read stories Ramayana and Mahabharata. He had a desire to study more and become a scholar. He wanted to see God. Later, he met his real guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and experienced God. He stayed with Ramakrishna Paramahamsa for a few years. Then he became a wandering monk, visiting different places in India. He spoke to the people about the importance of education. He said that education should develop a complete human being. He fought against social evils like caste system, superstitions, and so on. Swami Vivekananda went to the United States of America, USA, in 1893. He made a great speech in the Parliament of Religions at Chicago. He said that all religions in the world preach the same truth. Therefore, everyone in the world should develop a sense of brotherhood and love each other. He came back to India and began to teach tolerance and love. He established the Belur Matha in Calcutta, which became the center of Ramakrishna Mission. The main motto of Ramakrishna Mission is work is worship. He lived for only 39 years, but his achievements are great. He made the world understand that India was a great country. Vivekananda's word guide us even today. I have listed some inspirational quotes of Swami Vivekananda which will inspire you. There is no other spiritual teacher than your own soul. Arise, awake, stop not until the goal is reached. Believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet. Like this, there are so many inspirational quotes out there of Swami Vivekananda.